Want to split your shopping sprees into easy payments, even at your favorite brick-and-mortar stores? Let's dive into how to use your Affirm virtual card for in-store purchases, making those shopping trips a little less stressful on your wallet. First, open the Affirm app on your smartphone and make sure you are logged in. Next, look for the option to request a virtual card. This might be labeled as Shop in Store, Create a Virtual Card, or something similar. Tap on it. Affirm will then ask you how much you need on the card. Enter the estimated total amount of your purchase, including any taxes or fees. It's always best to overestimate slightly. Review the repayment terms, interest rate, and monthly payment amount that Affirm presents to you. Make sure you are comfortable with the payment schedule. If everything looks good, accept the terms and Affirm will generate your virtual card. You will see the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Now, when you are at the checkout in the store, tell the cashier you would like to pay with a credit card. Simply enter the Affirm virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV code, just as you would with a physical credit card. After the transaction is approved, you're all set. Your purchase is now split into easy, manageable payments with Affirm. And that's it. Enjoy the flexibility of Affirm payments wherever you shop. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful finance tips.